Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. It started off back when last month at 19th of June. I was saying that it's almost been 1.5 months we entered Luna Classic. I remember we took the entry back in April. Yeah, April. From April all the way till July, our entry was at 10,000. Okay, so 10,000. A lot of people were entering at 25,000. And Luna Classic is trading now at 7,600, and we actually entered at 10,000 level. Now I've been saying this on my private. Okay, this is where I actually say the private all the time, private, and I actually call it Adam trades and not signals and stuff, because in signals, people who are using signals on the other channel, they have been losing money, and it's due to the lack of strategy. And it's just because of the whole style of the signal thing, which I actually see and I've actually observed it never works really the best. Maybe on the private it goes a little bit slow, but it's actually on the safe side. So ever since April, I've actually been on Luna Classic and another trade, which was Pepe just some few days ago, and I've actually just lost 2.5% on Pepe, and that's pretty much it. So with Luna Classic, I have been thinking that, okay, this is actually still good, okay? And the thing is that, again, on 23 after 19, we saw 206 million in futures, $96 million on the spot, and this was the information that I actually saw on TradingView. So people bought, the big whales bought at 7112. A lot of Luna Classic was bought at 7112, right? 96 million, 62 million, 93 million, 200 million. That's a lot of money. That means buyers did step in, okay? And if you continue to look, we were looking at Luna Classic trying to fight and fight and fight, and there's a lot of things that I actually said about it, and Luna Classic was disappointing at times. Just the most difficult, I'm actually going to admit this, the most difficult thing that we had to do was to hold our nerves, and that actually comes with a little bit of experience, okay? Experience is, it actually says that what can you do when all the odds are stacked against you, right? Everything is going down. How do you do that? And they say that desperate time calls for desperate measures, man. Now a lot of people are wondering, hey, Adam Coins, what should we do with Luna Classic? It's down. It's actually at 6,500. We took at 10,000. It's 35% down. What do we do? And let me tell you, it takes a lot of nerves to say don't sell, because people feel like it's better just to sell. We don't want to lose anymore. But then again, when you spend 5 to 6 years, at least you know what exactly you're supposed to be doing. So again, private is actually going to be opened up very, very soon. Make sure you guys always try to at least try what we do. And I have actually posted this back on 12. I see an 88% pump for Luna Classic to 12,500. It seems like the resistance was broken. Yes, it was broken right over here. And if you look at it, this was back in when Luna Classic was at 7122. And remember, this is the very same place where Luna Classic has been bought using $96 million and using $200+ million. So that's a lot of money, man. Who actually throws in that much amount of money? And I did say that Luna Classic will fly back at 13. I don't know what the day, today's 15, right? And yes, it's actually proven right. Luna Classic is currently flying right now. The cool part about this is that on Discord, I've actually given this as a trade idea. So if you are a trader, I actually do this thing where I go to, I'm going to show you this very quickly. So where's this? All right. Trade ideas, right? So I've actually given this yesterday, I guess, and I was saying that, not yesterday, I'm gonna show you, not yesterday, this was back on 12, today's 15, right on time that, hey, it's breaking, potentially we could move up. It's an idea, it's not a signal or anything. So if you're a trader, you know how to trade charts and you need a setup. So this is more like a setup. So I give you the setup. This is a whole idea, and then you go and do further research where the stop should be, how much you should invest. That's up to you, and this is not a direct signal. It requires a little bit more research for you to do. So that's how some of the people here actually did some research. They actually got into it. They're pretty much on the profit side. Now, Luna Classic is on a technical journey to 8231 8925. Now, there are two things I want to talk about. It's a little bit lengthy video, but very important to talk about this as well. And if I go on the daily time frame, and if I try to remove every single thing right here, I've actually seen so many people talking about so many things, but no one is saying any of this. No one is noticing what is going on. Everyone wants to notice what is going on the candles. All right, these are candles. These movement that you see, these are one candle upon the other, stack upon on top of the other. The thing is, there is nothing really going on over here except that yes, we're actually down. That's it. All we know is that this is down. This is a huge sell-off and it's time to buy. That's it. That's the whole idea. But what is the main thing that is going on is on the RSI. We start off from the daily time frame, and if you look on the RSI yet has to break above. There is this little bit of a resistance that it's about to be approached. So one touch, move down, one touch, move down, and then you have this, which is about to break and eventually go back where? To the overbought levels. Now this is on the daily time frame, and I want to show you another cool place, another thing that is happening on the RSI that is so good, and that is when you switch on the weekly and you notice what the weekly has done. You are going to love it, because what I see is a massive falling wedge for Luna Classic, and this falling wedge indicates that at some point when you break it, you are looking for Luna Classic to eventually on the weekly go back up to this overbought level one more time. So resistance number one, number two, and yes, in the future you're looking for something like this. So we can expect Luna Classic in the next coming few months or few weeks, couple of weeks, to do something like this and probably even go back to 25,000 one more time on a higher time frame. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.